I'm sorry, Victor, but I can't marry you.
Well, why do you say that?
Because I've been sleeping with Johnny Storm.
Man, Johnny, you're so stupid. Hey, man, I'm sorry. It was an accident. See, that's why I didn't want to invite y'all, bruh. You know what? Put the hands up, Torch.
Hey, man, I ain't never backed down for no fight. Flame on!
Yeah. Let's see you try to put these flames out.
You know, I was gonna say the same thing to you. What's that supposed to mean? Yo, Doom, what did you do to me? What happened?
Go ahead. Try to turn your flames off.
Yeah. No. Doom, turn it off, man, please.
Nah.
Why?
Nah, it's over. You stuck like that forever, my boy.
Bro, come
No
on.
more food. No more cracking buns. You can't even hug your sister. You're cooked.
Someone help me.
Hey, yeah, you know. Hey, you know.
Yo, dude,
Nah, I don't want to hear none of that,
turn
bro.
this shit off, man, please.